Bondoc and I am 29 years old. I live in the Philippines and I studied Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, major in Animal Science, and graduated last April 2018. I used to work in a poultry farm. It is a breeder farm owned by Taiwanese. It consists of 6,000 birds, each buildings, and a tunnel ventilated. They also have a mother company in Taiwan. I even sent to Taiwan to work and to be familiarized with different techniques inside the buildings. After that, I came back in the Philippines and worked in the farm for more than 2 years. I also even work as a seasonal agricultural worker in abroad in Norway. I work in a cucumber greenhouse for 2 seasons. And now I am currently a trainee at the Benson Place in Massachusetts, USA. It is an agri-mix farm which consists of animals and crops. I raise broiler chickens and dairy goats in the silvopastures, and I even grow organic vegetable crops and blueberries. Thank you.